friends, welcome this channel. Today's lesson is the UI swipe gesture recognizer. The swipe left to right, right to left, top to bottom, and bottom to top to swipe to action perform any our requirement. So swipe gesture, gesture is UI swipe gesture. So targeted as a self and selector is objective C method. We are create objective C methods. The swipe, gesture, action, gesture, UI swipe, gesture. So copy paste here and adding view add gesture is the swipe gesture, but some property we are required like swipe gesture dot direction. So direction is right, left, up and down. So we are first of all right and print gesture dot direction. So run our project. So our background color is black default, so view dot background color dot white and run again. So our screen is so in white. So up to down, bottom to up, and right to left, and then left to right. So print right, this row value is 1, but default print is right. This is right swipe. Are you see? We are changing left. So right swipe is not work. You watch, right is not work and left is work. Sorry, we are changing this left. And third one is up and up. So printing any direction, but we are print up, so work. And fourth one is down. Sorry, print down. We are adding these conditions as per your up is not working, left, right not working, down is print out the particular row value in particular direction. So we are if gesture dot direction equal direction dot row value equal 1, else if else if else if so 2 4 and 8. So print is right, print is left, print is up and print is down. This is add condition. This is down print, changing up, changing right, and changing left. So we are used swipe gesture like any pagination with customization. So this is swipe gesture. So thank you watching this video. Like video, share video, and subscribe this channel. Hit the notification bell. You will get notification my latest video. Thank you.